Can you do a New York accent? Amber, like you're not listening to me. My God. Oh, from New York City. I mean, I don't know which part of New York I'm from. Like, this is my go-to. Like, when I was 26 years old, I drove from story time. Let's go. I was living in Los Angeles, and I was 26, and I had to. A friend of mine was going to meet me in New York for my 27th birthday. So there was a notice at the local university, Northridge University, and there was an old guy called. I'm trying to jump between New York and California. Arnold, who wanted to have some help to drive across the country. And so he had a brand new Buick, and we drove from LA to New York in 50 hours nonstop. Let me tell you, I was a little tired. But I smoked and sang my way across the country, because in those days, we all smoked. And then I got to New York, and I spent time with Arnold. Arnold was from New York originally. So, I was sitting next to this New Yorker traveling across the country, and there was a point across the journey where he had died. Like, we were just so big tired. Like, we were just so tired. Anyway, so this old guy is sitting in the passenger seat. And I'm like, I'm driving a corpse across America. I mean, I'm literally driving a corpse. And I'm like, what do I do? Like, we didn't have cell phones in those days. I just had a Walkman, like I had my little headphones on, because he wouldn't let me play my music in his cassette player because he didn't like the Rolling Stones. And he was old. Anyways, we're driving, and I'm like, I gotta poke the old guy to make sure I'm not driving a corpse across America, because that would be very bad. I don't want to be doing that, because, that's a bit creepy. So, yeah. I poke him a few times, but he's not waking up. I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like, shimmy shaking on the motorway. Hi, Spicy. And then I just go, you know what? I'm just going to punch the corpse. Because now I'm getting scared, because I don't want to go to the hospital and be like, can you remove the dead body from my car? I've been driving it across America. Anyways, Arnold woke up. He was just very tired.